Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to apply color changing effect. So it is very simple, trust me, very simple as using phone. You just have to go to effects, change color effect. Here we have this change color effect. Now we're gonna apply this and we're gonna keyframe this hue transformation. Okay, hit on that stopwatch and now go to the ending of this video and change it to something million or trillion. Okay, this is the limit. Okay, and now you can see there's no effect right now because you have to select the color you want to change from this eyedropper tool. So I'm selecting the sky. Now you can see the sky is changing its color now, and that's it. That's how you change. And if you wanna change like it is affecting this area too, then just change the tolerance like this. Now it's almost covering everything in this video. Okay, let's change the tolerance to something about this. It's covering the whole sky now. And here you go. This is how you apply color changing effect to a video using After Effects. Thanks for watching and go poop.